So on a plan, our SPY QQQ was, we have to watch 19 on the VIX, 1940. Over those level, market short. If breaks 19, market bounces. So what happened? So it was kind of a little tricky at first this morning because I gave the short right at the open. But when the pre-market level was not breaking down, I proactively exited the shorts. Short, then I said close the shorts because we were not breaking down here. And the VIX looked like it wants to break 19. So that's why I told everyone we can close the shorts. But then we don't just give up because then system showed us a setup. Then came the setup. We were already short when we saw these rejections. When we saw these rejections, you showed it. You showed the SPY right away and you showed QQQ right away. And then you can add when we break the pre-market lows. This is what I shared on Twitter. Clean setup. VIX breaks 1940 and up. It will be another red day. So after that, VIX is breaking out of that range box and SPY is breaking down under the range box. QQQ, same thing. Overall big picture is, guys, VIX is trading over 3450 Ripster EMA cloud. SPY is under 3450 Ripster EMA cloud. QQQ is under 3450 Ripster cloud. So you have no business going on. Now we just have to identify how we manage our short position. We did get a little fake out, but doesn't mean we can't add puts back. I always tell that always at the closest puts, let's say 479 puts, they ran from $1 all the way to $4. You could easily make 300% return. But the point is the trader's size too big. Traders wants to load, they have $10,000 account, they want to buy $6,000 worth of puts. And when it does this, they panic and they don't add, and then they're scared to add here because they added a big size, they exit, and they barely make 5-10% when they could have made 300%. So anyway, this was the setup, and then we just started moving the stops down. Then came the 10 a.m. flush. There was no bounce. That means this is a 10 a.m. trend time flush. That will be the trend for whole day. We were short on everything. Tesla, Apple, Meta, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, MSTR. So everything was the crux of all day short. Now, another important thing. You don't buy, guys. You do not buy. It's all about VIX. Use the VIX strategy. VIX continues to break out. There is no reason to think long. So there was no reason to try buying it when VIX is so strong. We do not even look at longs. That's the problem. Traders look for longs. You have to get out of that. You have to change that mindset. If you want your financial position to change, then you change. If you don't change, you will always be having small winners, big losers. Fix your stubborn mind. Print this out. Last time you bought the dips in a downtrend, I got destroyed. Today I will preserve and wait for my setup. That you cannot handle red day. Just stop. Close the browser. If you cannot short, just step away. Because remember, when you tried it last time, you could not control yourself and you tried to go long and you lost money. So forget about that. Ask yourself, is this my setup? Money saved is a money made in the stock market. So time to long will come. You don't have to just buy the dips. When the time comes, you will have enough time to go long. So market was short, you can take Amazon, you can short that. You just need to look which gives you the best entry. You could short Google. All day 512 fade. This was the best fade in a while we had. Today was just insane. The 160 puts went from 40-50 cents all the way to $6. Like 1,000% trade. Your $100 was $1,000, your $1,000 was $10,000, but you just need to execute it. It was pretty clear to short Google if you look at the levels I gave. Same was for Amazon. Amazon was also a short. You could literally short anything. I like to see big daily breakdown. If a chart is breaking a big daily level, if something is breaking MTF clouds, that gives me added conviction.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.